Hey guys, if you would like to factory reset this computer, that means you're going to delete everything from within it. That means your personal documents, the way that you activate it, using your own account, all that stuff. Back to factory settings. That means when you first got it brand new, there was nothing in it. You guys had to do all the updates and put all your information. We're going to get it back to that point where there's nothing personally inside this thing. So on the bottom, just going to search and just type in factory reset. Or just type in reset this PC. You're going to see this option. Click on it. It's going to open this up for you. So we'll move this to the middle so you guys can see better. And then from here, just choose this option where it says reset this PC. Don't look into anything else. Unless you're doing this to fix any issues, there are ways to fix issues. And there's other ways to restart things without having to delete everything. But I'm assuming you're watching this video because you guys do want to delete all this. All right, so all you guys have to do is just choose this to erase the entire PC. So we're going to go on and choose that. We're going to choose to remove everything. So that's your second option. Then from here, it's going to do it. So right now, what you guys want to do, for most of you, is a cloud download. This will just install everything, well, not everything, Windows from the internet. Or you can reinstall Windows from this device. Choose whatever you guys like to do. For some of you, internet-wise would be way too slow. So just choose from this device. And this will tell you exactly what's going to happen. It's going to remove apps and files. It does not clean the drive, unfortunately, but it does remove those personal files. And anything else that you guys did right in here, such as any workspaces. And it's going to reinstall Windows on this PC as well, because it's got to do that as well. So we're going to go into next. And how long does this take? It does depend on what computer you guys are doing this on, but it's going to take a few minutes. So just make sure you got enough time, press on reset, and there we go. So right now we can just come back to it later on, and then we should see a restart. It's gonna go into a fresh mode later on as well. So after just a bit, you should see a screen like so, just applying some updates. Just after a bit, you should see something like so. And keep in mind, this could take quite a long time. All right, so once it's all done, you're gonna see this screen, and that would be it. Right now you can set it up again, or you can go on and just shut it down. So press the power button until it's fully shut down and you are done. That would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write directly in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.